Streamline your organization and labeling workflow with the Brother P-touch PT-D610BT Business Professional Connected Label Maker. This device offers advanced connectivity. Seamlessly create and print labels through Bluetooth or USB connection, enabling multiple users to design custom labels from computers or mobile devices, perfect for dynamic business environments. Explore extensive Brother P-touch design options. Features include 17 fonts, 17 styles, 160 frames, and 900 symbols for creating eye-catching labels up to 1 inch wide, with high-resolution printing capability for crystal-clear barcodes and logos. Maximize efficient organization. The built-in memory stores up to 90 frequently used labels for quick reprinting. The automatic label cutter and QWERTY keyboard further streamline your labeling workflow for maximum productivity. Benefit from a clear visual preview. The large 20-character, 2-line full-color LCD display allows you to preview labels before printing, ensuring accuracy and reducing waste while maintaining the professional appearance of your labels. Finally, utilize the robust template library. Access 175 preloaded business-specific templates for asset management and inventory tracking, plus customized designs using Brother P-touch editor software for enhanced label creation flexibility. Ready to bring professional labeling to your business? If you find this product and want to get the best price and discount, check out this item by the link in the description right now. Get your Brother P-touch PT-D610BT today.